What's up, guys? Welcome back. And what's up, SB Vlogs? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is going to be kind of a different video, guys, and it's a great video. Watch it till the end. And today's video is about food. Everybody likes food in this world, that's for sure. So everybody likes food in this world. So today we are going to be speaking about the when what's inside your food, like what's mixed when we go outside. There may be some things which is inside your food. Sometimes it happens by mistakenly, some crazy food found, like some crazy items found in your food when you go outside to eat. So today's video is a great video. If you guys like this kind of video, make sure you guys subscribe, like the button. And today's video is a bit different. What at the end. So the first is that, let me just give it with the example. Actually, this is the first one, the first item, like the first food which found a gross item in it. So the things what are found in the first item. So when once upon a time, you guys all like burger. So the mother and her son went to the burger shop. They went and they were like, okay, let's just order a burger, chicken burger. They just ordered. So then what happened was, after they ordered it, it came. The son was like refusing to eat it. When when her mother saw that, it was that son was a little guy. So when her mother saw that, when his mother saw that, it was a chicken head on it, like in it. So think about it, how it would be. And the next thing, now then it became a court and a case. It's still, I think it's finished right now. So now the next thing is that is you guys know biscuits, right? Like that's the most common eaten by children and kids. Many, I also eat biscuit, that's really good. Many adults eat it. So once upon a time, let's say a person, so he went to buy a biscuit. So he bought the biscuit whatever he want. I don't want to say the brand things in there. Just bought a biscuit. So right now, after he bought the biscuit, he bought it and he was eating. It was a cream biscuit actually. He liked a cream biscuit. So everybody likes cream biscuit. So when he took it, when he wanted to take the biscuit and just see in it, like he likes the cream, he like lick and all. So he liked to lick the cream and all. So he just wanted to see that. What's like he always eats like that. So that time he just saw a spider in it. The most grossest thing when you eat a biscuit. Think about it. It happens in steaks or in certain things, but we can't say everybody is all the products of that company is not good. It's still good, but then he went and then he went to the higher authorities, the court and all. Then he said he put a case on it, and it was in years, and now the case is I think it finished recently. So right now the next thing is that, everybody likes ice cream. Like now it's a third one actually. So everybody likes ice cream. So once upon a time there was a person, okay. He was like, he just went to the shopping market and just bought a ice cream. We also buy the same thing because sometimes when we don't feel to go to a ice cream shop, we just go and buy it from them. So that time he bought a bucket, and when he wanted a person, many persons, let me say myself itself. So I also eat the ice cream really fast, but that guy was a slow eater. He was like observing in it, like he was like seeing what is in there. So that time he literally found a razor, what we used to trim. So he found that one. Think about it. Think if it would have just gone inside and he would have died. blood would come, it is so dangerous. So then he went to the higher authorities, then he said, okay, now let's do a thing. And he went to the manufacturer developer, then he went to the court. The case has been since like years and years. Recently it finished. So it's a big thing actually. It's about his life. His life was about to go also. Think about it. So right now the next thing is that there's one more incident about the ice cream. Now we finished. I don't have the count like wait. Yeah. So now it's the fourth one. So in this fourth one, it's about the same ice cream. It's a different incident about the ice cream, but it's ice cream. So once upon a time, a family went to a restaurant and they ordered a ice cream. So that time, when the order came, they literally observed in that it was mixed human flesh. Think about it. It's really dangerous. It was like he did not even observe it. He just ate it and all. It's a big deal. Oh my God, that's really dangerous. We need to see before we eat anything. So observe before you eat anything. That's the main thing over here. So the next thing is that once upon a time, like it's like the fifth one, I think so. Yeah, it's the fifth one. So once upon a time, a man, like you guys know what's the soft drinks, right? There are many soft drinks, etc., etc. There are many. So once upon a time, a person bought a soft drink. He was like, okay, let's just go. It's really thirsty. I want to get a drink and just wanted a refreshment, a cold drink. So when he went over there, it was a thing. He like opened the can and all, and when he was like about to drink, he observed a pink color substance, like literally outside of his cap. Then he like tilted all of his bottle, and literally it was a frog. Think about it, a frog in your drink. Oh, I will not. So the main thing over here I'm trying to explain is that see before, like, don't always ignore what you eat. See what you eat also. It's really important. They are the best observers till now I have seen. And now let's go to the sixth one. Actually, the sixth. I'm literally holding the mic. So right now the sixth one is that once upon a time. So I don't want to say once upon a time. So there was a boy, and his father took him to a shop. So he liked candies and he just bought a candy. Okay, his father also allowed it, and they even like bought a candy too. Then what happened is that when he was about to eat the candy, his father observed the teeth. You guys know the teeth in the candy. Think about it. Yo, gross. That's really gross. Teeth in a candy? Never. So it is like a big mistake in my life. He thought. So these are the like biggest incidents. There are more incidents. I thought of doing this video for you guys. And if you guys like this like more fact kind of videos, comment down below, and I'll be doing more in this also. I'm going to be creating a playlist and all. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like the button, like it. If you guys want more like these kinds of video, like just say hashtag facts or hashtag live facts. So comment down below and I'll be doing it from now onwards. It's really important. I thought it and then I started it. So it's the end of this it's the end of the video. and see you guys in the next vlog, and until next time, peace, 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 peace out, guys.